What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Miss Cecee, if this is your first time here. Now, I'm going to go straight to the point because I know this video may be just a little lengthy. If you love hauls, clothing, hair, accessories, cleansings, makeup, and more, girl, this is the video for you because I have some goodies to share. First, from the goodie bag, can we please address the hair? No, this is not a wig. It is a sew-in. Now, I'm going to lift this up. Do know that I have edges, okay? But she braided it so far back because I like a lot of hair. But around my edges, it's like I don't want a lot of hair because I got a little small head. It's a sew-in. They braid your hair. And then what they'll do is take some needle and some thread and they'll sew the actual weave in. Please look that up because it is a very nice technique. And I actually find that my hair grows a little bit better once I have my hair braided with human hair, whatever kind of hair on top of it. But I do remember it's by Organique. I'll probably make sure I can post a picture somewhere so you guys can see it. And the style 0T30. I love this color. The color is very pretty. It's kind of like a copper auburn looking type of color, so I'm like a brunette right now. This is the only part that I have left. Now with this hair, it came with the whole 18, 16, and 14 inch of bundles. It did say guaranteed to do your whole head. Now if you just have a humongous basketball weaving head, I'm pretty sure that that's all you need is one pack. It is a shake and go human hair texture. It looks just like this. The only thing I added was this wet and wavy mousse, actually what I bought from the beauty supply store. This is the 14 inches up top. Now the other pieces of hair is this actual color, which is the 18 and the 16, and you see that it does not have the black on the roots of the hair. Y'all, this was pretty nice. The only thing I don't like about this hair is a lot of shedding. Now this is not a hair tutorial or anything like that. It's just a little something that I had bought along the way in my haul, and I just thought maybe I just need a new look, you know what I'm saying? Since I'm not purchasing any wigs, let me just do something nice. If you want any more details about the hair, just let me know in the comment section, guys, and I'll make sure I'll put that out there for you. You know, just in case that you are looking for some nice hair, I will give you everything that you need. I will do a separate video on this hair if you need me. It's going to be a little shorter than this, of course. But who go into the beauty supply store and do not get earrings? Now, I'm not going to be like a fan of fake jewelry because some people's skin do break out due to certain colors. But my skin doesn't do that. Unfortunately, I can buy the cheap ass stuff. You know what I'm saying? These right here, like this style right here is more like a ripple. This style right here has a little pearl ball right there that kind of actually moves. And these are just some ordinary hoops down there. You know, I just love the style of some beauty supply earrings. This is a whole heart with the fake diamonds, you know, hoops, big ass hoops right here. Now when I want to put my hair up, you know what's that, girl, I put them big old hoops on, honey. Baby, you can't tell me nothing when I put my hoe hoops on. I call them hoe hoops. Now whoever don't like that, just fast forward the word. First we have from Bills or Bells, however you want to say it. This was retail for $4.99. It is a satin pillowcase. Now, feeling it right here, and it feels very, very good. I have not put it on my pillow yet, but I am going to try it out tonight. Matter of fact, now that I got my new pillowcase, right? So it's the standard size. Sleeping on the Reveal Cashmere satin pillowcase can reduce skin wrinkles and helps eliminate hair loss and breakage, okay? Feels very good. This is the standard size, so it does have the opening here. And I'm excited. I got a callus scrubber. Thing going on with the coronavirus. Not too many nail salons are open. So I'm having to do what I got to do when it comes to my feet. Girl, I got a whole wife that I got to rub these feet on. So these feet got to be nice. Alright, y'all feel me, right? You feel me? And I used it last night. It's kind of like faded out right there. So far, I kind of like it. I'm not going to say it working miracles or anything like that, but with a nice scrub to go along with it, like an exfoliator or some kind of soap, So I will let you guys know how I further feel about this too in the future. Speaking of things on your feet, I did get the Revlon. This is a stainless steel dual surface exfoliator for the feet. So this is more like a pedicure kit. Alright, next we have just some nice little Q-tips, but this is actually a Q-tip shaped holder. The actual count, 500 pieces. Yes, kind of cute. It's like in a star, you know what I mean? This is cute. Buy another little microfoliant head turban that I can wear at night when I get out of the shower, or you know, during the shower. It does look cute. My last one kind of messed up on me and broke apart, but I think this has been opened, but I'm gonna wash it anyway before I put it on, I guess. This is how it looks. Put it on your head, then you actually twist it around, and then you, boom, place the tie right there and secure the bottom of the knot. So this is the little scrunchie that you will put on the button right here. So after you twist it, boom, put it on the button. Neat, right? I'm going to throw this in the wash tonight, use it tomorrow. My cleanser actually stopped working with the batteries, so kind of glad I bought this one. I guess that's a more softer brush, but the bristles actually feel very, very good. Oh, goodness, yes, these things feel soft. Oh, I can't wait to use it tonight. Has a cap to go on top, so you can take the cap, put the cap back on. And next we have another brush. Y'all, I can't go in there without getting a brush. I mean, that's where I got this big old fan kabuki brush. And matter of fact, I think it's by the same people. It is. I'm so glad I went and bought this brush. Oh, Stella Studio. Stalla Studio. So, I'm going to look it up, put a link down below. This is the cheek and powder, cruelty-free, plush synthetic nylon brushes. Okay. I bought these goodies before all of the chaos, y'all. Y'all just don't know how long I've been sitting on these bags on my floor to make this video. So let's start with CVS first. So I got some style Gala from the Kiss Lash Couture Faux Me collection. I have worn this style before, and guys, they are so pretty and full. Those right there are like out of this world beautiful. I got some more Olay Mist. This is the cooling kind. Now I have almost ran out. I think I got about 3 more sprays, if that, out of the energizing. And it's cucumber water and white mint. But they're pretty pricey. $14.99 I think I paid for that in CVS. I did get some eye and lip pencils from LA Girl. So we got the LA Girl Ultimate Intense Stay Auto Liner. This is in the shade Super Bright. Ooh, pretty though. It does have like a pink peachy undertone to it. Pretty, oh my god. That is so pretty. I can't wait to use this, and it's creamy. These are the Super Shockwave pencils, eyeliners, or lip liners. But I'm going to tell you, I'm not using them on my lips at all. No way. But what I am going to do is use them for my eyes, and I'm just going to keep it for the eyes. So I got this one in the neon eyeliner. This is in the shade I Got You. It's like a lime green shade. Very, very cute. Pop. Fiery. Fresh. It's kind of like a nice minty blue. It's screaming. Now we all see that is a neon yellow. And that's all I bought from CVS, guys. I got a full face of all drugstore products in this Walmart bag. Full face. So this is a Profusion Good Brow Day Ultra Fine Brow Pencil and Tinted Brow Gel. Dark brown. I am kind of hooked on LA Colors lashes. Now the first pair that I got is in the style Andy. This is what they look like. I bought 2 because they was like sold out. I mean, they're like $3.50. These are in the style Emerson. Come on now. I know you want to go get those. And can I say that they are cruelty free? I am going to be trying out the NYX Born to Glow foundation. I got this in the shade Warm Mahogany 16.7. I don't know. I really don't know. I haven't even broke the seal on it, because I'm going to save this for my drugstore tutorial. So 2 concealers from e.l.f. I picked up their more full coverage hydrating camo concealer. Now they do have the 16-hour camo concealer. I think that's more matte than this one. A lot of people have used that concealer and they like the hydrating kind more. So I got 2 shades, deep cinnamon, and I got the shade medium beige. So medium beige is a lot lighter than what I expected, and deep cinnamon is a lot cooler than what I wanted. So maybe I could put these 2 together and it works. I don't know. If it doesn't, then I do still have the 16-hour camo concealer down below, their original one. But this is what we got. And I got the CoverGirl True Blend Loose Mineral Powder. This is in the shade Translucent 50. I'm going to see exactly how I feel about this one. I heard great things about this one. They did have a darker one and I think a more lighter one. But the more lighter one I think had a little bit more kind of a peachy undertone to me or something like that I didn't like. I didn't gravitate towards it. So I just went on and picked out the translucent kind, and it looked like it does have a little bit more yellow tint inside of it. I don't know, but we're going to try it out. This have a lifespan of 30 months, y'all, so I'm going to see what's going on. Moving on, I did get some setting sprays. Y'all know my Milani Make It Last. I had to get another bottle of this. This is the shit. When I tell you this is the best setting spray that I got from the damn drugstore yet, this is the shit. Milani Make It Last setting spray. They do have a dewy one, and I think they have a matte one. But this, y'all, oily combination, dry, whatever skin type. That is it. I'm going to try out the NYX Bear With Me. Now, this is a prime, set, and refresh. I heard great things about this setting spray. I'm going to see what I like. Now, the claims is supposed to be a prime skin from makeup, minimizes the appearance of pores, sets makeup, skin looks refreshed, looks very rested. The finish is give skin a dewy glow, hydrating feel, and it doesn't dry out the skin. Now, girl, those are some claims, okay? It's a multitasking spray. Ingredients inside of it: the citric acid, potassium sorbate, sodium benzoate. Girl, it does have nice one, salicylic acid. We're gonna see. I'm gonna put her to the test, girl, and give you the straight tea, baby. Moving on. I did get a highlighter. I got some lip products. Got a blush and a lip liner. I had picked some of these matte suede lip liners from NYX, okay? My shade Mason, when I apply it, it crumbles up on the lips. Now, if you guys ever bought that shade, please comment down below if you had the same problem, because I'm guessing it's the actual shade formula of that lip liner, because NYX really do make great lip liners. Now, I have a full jar. Wet n Wild and some LA Colors and some bougie high-ends, okay? But it was just that one shade, I think, that was a little off. This is in a shade called Brew. I'm gonna give this a try, and if it crumbles up on me, y'all know I will tell you, for real. I will, like, look, it's just something up with the formula of it. Maybe they need to change it out. I don't know, you know. My camera going in and out. I want you to stop. This is the Hello Halo Wet n Wild Blush Highlighter in 1. This is in the shade After Sex Glow. Now, this is supposed to be new. This is what it look like. Their name, After Sex Glow. Wet n Wild. Ooh. Okay. Moving on. Milani, I love their blushes, but this is supposed to be matte. Now, I'm hoping this doesn't have anything in it. Now, I've looked at it really careful, and it doesn't have any reflections in it. I'm going to try this one out. Coral Cove. Really, really pretty. I picked up a L'Oreal Paris lipstick. Now, I heard so many things about their new lipsticks. It's just crazy. People are going so crazy over their lipsticks right now because the formula, they say it's like, it lasts all day, and it's just bomb. They say it's got a satiny feel to it, and I just love it. So this is in the shade Brazil Nuts. I would do a swatch, but that would just kill the vibe on my first impressions on it. And last but not least, from Walmart, I did get another one of the butter glosses from NYX. Guys, now these are very good. This is something I can recommend to you. This is in the shade Bits of honey, and guys, these are so good on the lips. They're so moisturizing, and they look so good on top of the lipsticks, any kind of matte lipsticks that you have, liquid lipsticks that you wear. These are so pretty. It looks even good with just a liner and this. I mean, it's just so nice, and it feels so comfortable on your lips. Something you can put in your pocket, in your purse, in your wallet, or wherever you're carrying for the day. Fanny pack. Maybe you still like fanny packs. I mean, I'm still rocking the 90s hairdo, so why not bring a fanny pack, you know? Guys, this is it. I sure appreciate you guys sticking around, looking at this video. I know it's pretty lengthy, but if you guys love hauls, like I love going to go buy things and showing you guys, I really appreciate it. If you're not already subscribed, I ask you to please do. If you feel like it, hit the subscribe button down below and the notification bell right beside it so you can get my newest uploaded videos. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Share it to everyone so everybody can see all of the goodies that's out here in the world, so you can get your swag on, your beauty on. Once we can go out and celebrate that quarantine is over, you want to look snatched, okay? You want a little beat to the gods. They're going to try and let me hurry up and finish. Love you guys. See you on my next tutorial. Bye.